Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm the Stash Stitcher and my name's Kim. I thought I would just do a really quick video because I have got my very first Fabric Godmother subscription box. So I'm going to open this with you. She has literally just arrived. The postman has just dropped her off. So let's see what's in it. I've been quite impressed with these boxes when I've watched other sewists share them on YouTube. So I thought I would order one and see whether I also am lucky with this subscription box. Ooh, ooh, oh God, I love the fabric already. Right, okay. So you get a QR code for a newsletter and sewing notes. That's great. And you get some really lovely labels from Matchy Sewing Club, and they are stripes with Matchy on the back, or a heart with Matchy on the back. So I think you get 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 8. 8 of those. So that's really nice. And look at this thread. Look at the gorgeous colour of that thread. This is really my colour. I love these dark, plummy colours. Oh, really nice. Right. So the pattern is the Juno dress. So I can't see an image of it, but I will obviously need to have a look at what it actually looks like. So you get all your AO printed pattern. Quite a good size range, 3X small, X extra small, 3 extra small, up to 3 extra large. So hopefully I'll be able to fit myself into one of those. So what I will do is I will put the Juno dress image here so that both you and I can see what it looks like before I post the video, and just to show you this fabric. This fabric is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's 100% cotton. It's got a good weight to it. Yeah, I really like that. I'm not disappointed at all. Usually I am disappointed when I've had subscription boxes in the past, but yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So I'm just going to have a quick look to see what this dress is all about, and I will be back. So I've viewed the dress, so I'll put an image here so you can see it. It has a collar and a half placket, which I absolutely love because I do like shirt looking dresses. So this is perfect for me. The dress itself has been designed by a company called Spaghetti Western Sewing, and the details on the dress are, it's a summer dress, but it can be worn as a tunic top over trousers for later in the year. It's a baby doll cut with ample ease, half placket with 2 collar options, a large back pleat with 2 front views, so you can make it with a flat front or one with a yoke and gathers. There's a little bit of extra fabric to lengthen the dress if you want, and I will definitely lengthen it because I don't do baby doll anymore. The fabric itself, so I've gone on to Fabric Godmother's website and just checked the fabric out again. The fabric itself is a lightweight poplin, burgundy with light sky blue stripes. It is 100% cotton because obviously it's poplin, and it's 110 grams per square metre, so it's got a nice weight to it, but it's not too fine. It's just soft. It feels gorgeous, and it is 150 centimeters wide, and Fabric Godmother have given me just a touch over 3 meters, so I'm assuming that is going to be plenty for this dress. And I've just noticed it matches my nail varnish, so it was obviously an omen. This is going to be, you know, really nice dress, and I'm very keen to make it. So now I can understand the labels, because obviously we have stripes on our labels with that beautiful blue, and that will work really well on this dress. So I feel very keen to get this fabric in the wash and just have a go at it, because it doesn't look difficult at all. So you might see that coming very soon. So very short video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've really loved my first Fabric Godmother, I think they called, what do they call it? Dream Wardrobe, my first Fabric Godmother box. This is my first one, and I can definitely see me keeping my subscription going until I get disappointed. But from what I've seen of these subscription boxes over the last couple of months, I've been quite impressed by them, so I'm hoping that will continue. So I'm going to pop this in the wash, and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye.